Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Boinkers listing price on Binance. All you need to know. Boinkers, a Telegram-based game following the tap to earn trend, has taken the gaming and cryptocurrency world by storm. With over 15 million active players, its addictive gameplay and rewarding system have made it a favorite among gamers and crypto enthusiasts alike. Now, the token is about to take a significant step forward by being listed on Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. This is a massive milestone for the Boinkers community and opens up exciting new opportunities for players, investors, and the project itself. Let's explore everything you need to know about Boinkers' upcoming Binance listing, from the projected listing date to price predictions, and what this means for the future of the token. What makes Boinkers so popular? Boinkers isn't just another game, it's a groundbreaking project that combines fun, simplicity, and the opportunity to earn crypto. Players earn rewards through easy tap-to-play mechanics, making it accessible to everyone, even those new to gaming. The game's success is driven by its engaging gameplay. Simple yet addictive mechanics keep players coming back for more. Rewarding system. Players are rewarded with Boinkers tokens, BNKS, for completing tasks, leveling up, and participating in events. Community-driven growth. With over 15 million players, the Boinkers community is a powerhouse of support and enthusiasm. This blend of entertainment and earning potential has caught the attention of both casual players and serious investors, making Boinkers a standout in the gaming and crypto spaces. When will Boinkers be listed on Binance? The Boinkers token, BNKS, is expected to officially list on Binance by November 30th, 2024. This listing marks a pivotal moment for the project, bringing it into the spotlight of the global crypto market. Being listed on Binance isn't just about trading, it's a recognition of Boinkers' credibility and potential. Binance is known for its rigorous selection process, and a listing here signals that Boinkers has met the platform's high standards. For the community, this means greater accessibility. Players and investors can trade BNKS on a reliable and secure platform. Enhanced visibility. Binance's massive user base introduces Boinkers to millions of potential new investors. Market growth. A Binance listing often boosts a token's trading volume, demand, and value. What will be the Boinkers token price on Binance? While the exact price will depend on market conditions, early projections suggest that the Boinkers token could launch at around $0.0034. This price estimate is based on pre-market trends. Early trading activity has shown strong interest in BNKS, with demand steadily rising. Community size. With over 15 million active users, there's already a built-in audience eager to trade the token. Market hype. The buzz surrounding the Binance listing is likely to drive up initial trading volumes. Analysts believe that the listing could trigger a surge in demand, potentially pushing the price higher. However, like any cryptocurrency, BNKS will be subject to market fluctuations, and prices could vary as trading begins. What does the future hold for Boinkers? The Binance listing is just the beginning. Here's what could be next for Boinkers. Expanded ecosystem. Plans to introduce new game features, partnerships, and utilities for BNKS could further enhance its value. Increased adoption. The listing could attract more players and investors, driving community growth. Cross-platform integration. Boinkers may expand beyond Telegram, reaching new audiences through web and mobile apps. Long-term growth. As more people adopt the game and trade BNKS, the token's value and market presence could grow significantly. How can you prepare for the Boinkers Binance listing? Here are a few steps to get ready for the big day. Create a Binance account. If you don't already have one, sign up on Binance and complete the verification process. Research BNKS. Familiarize yourself with the token, its utility, and its potential. Watch the markets. keep an eye on pre-listing prices and trends to gauge market sentiment. Set a budget, decide how much you're willing to invest, and always trade responsibly. Boinkers is more than just a game, it's a movement. Its Binance listing is a significant milestone, offering players and investors a chance to be part of something big. With a growing community, strong pre-market performance, and the support of Binance's platform, the future looks bright for Boinkers. Whether you're a gamer, an investor, or simply curious about the world of crypto, the Boinkers listing is an event you won't want to miss. Stay tuned as November 30th, 2024 approaches, and get ready to tap into the exciting world of Boinkers.